The SolidCAM simulator has added 2 new standard views and keyboard view manipulation shortcuts. Launching the SolidCAM simulator and switching to flyout mode, we can see these new commands. Right-click on the background going to standard views, we now have a turning isometric and a 2D ZX. The turning isometric is available in the view cube. We have added keyboard shortcuts to match the behavior of SolidWorks when in flyout mode. These consist of using the left, right, up, and down arrow keys, plus or Shift and Alt. To go over these, we have left and right, which will rotate the view by 15 degrees left or right. We have up and down, which will do 15 degrees up and down on each key press. We also have Shift and left and right, which will change that to 90 degrees. And last, we have Alt plus left and right, which will rotate about the current view by 15 degrees. A last feature of note is our Disable Mouse Rotation. When this option is enabled, you will no longer have mouse rotation when pressing the middle mouse button. This allows you to zoom and pan and move around without fear of accidentally rotating your view. It's important to note that the keyboard rotation is still available and provides a way for you to do minor adjustments without having to reactivate disable rotation and going back to middle mouse button mouse rotation.